Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 3 to you, which is August the 27th through September the 2nd. We're going to be studying demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. You want to start by studying pages 130 to 131 and reviewing pages 108 to 145 or all of chapter 4. After completing these assignments, you should be able to use demonstrative adjectives and pronouns to make spatial references. You should also be able to describe your daily routines and habits. Express your personal care needs, and be able to compare objects and people. You will also be asked to read 2 short texts about a day at the beach and about Ignacio Maldonado, a kid who is unlike other kids his age. You should be able to answer short answer questions on what you've read, demonstrating your ability to read and comprehend these brief passages. You should also be able to demonstrate your ability to extend and decline invitations and how to use demonstrative adjectives and how to distinguish between and use the verb saber and conocer. You're going to start this week the way you do all others by looking at your instructor-made videos, and then which I think goes over your demonstratives. And then when you go back out here, you are going to click on the class participation forum. You're going to click on the thread. Then you're going to hit, if it will ever come up, you're going to hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about material either covered in class or in the videos. Okay, you have a reading comprehension quiz. Okay, this is online for both my face-to-face and my online class. So you will open up the reading comprehension. There's 2, hold on. Get rid of Google's always trying. Don't hit that translate. I think it'll mess everything up. So I know it's tempting to want to translate everything when Google does that, but do not do it. Okay, so you're going to read these 2 passages. Here's the first one, here's the second one, and when you're ready, you're going to hit attempt quiz now. You only have 1 attempt, and so you just want to make sure that you don't start it until you're ready, okay? So there again are the passages, so you'll read them again. These are fill in the blank. If the answer is in English, then you can fill in the response with English. I'm basically checking to see that you understand what you've read, okay? However, if you misspell something or you don't write it exactly the way that I have it written, these are going to get marked wrong. I know that. I have to go in and manually grade them. So please don't bombard me with a bunch of emails saying, well, I think I made 100, but I got an F on my quiz. I am aware of this. And I usually will start grading stuff the day after things are turned in. So everything gets turned in on a Thursday. I start looking at them on a Friday. But please be patient because I have 6 classes. So it may take me a few days to get through them all, but eventually you'll see your grade change. And it shouldn't take that long. I mean, like within a week, it should be changed. And then the rest are true, false, and you just click true or false, and it's all based upon what you saw, what you read. And when you're done, you hit finish attempt, and then I will see your responses. Okay. Okay. And so then we'll go back out here and see what else we have on on our schedule for week 3. You also have activities in my language labs. So you'll click on this link to take you out to my language. Okay. So when you're out here in my language labs, you'll see the calendar. You're going to want to switch to the course calendar. And I forgot when these assignments are due on the 30th. So you'll click on the 30th and your assignments will pop up here. You just click on each one and complete it. Remember, you can do it as many times as you would like before the due date. However, if you do it more than 3 times, then you probably want to reach out to me so that I can explain what you're doing wrong. Okay. And then you also have oral dialogue preparation. It says in 2 weeks you'll complete your first oral dialogue. I like to workshop these. So you're going to be creating a script in which you answer these questions right here in Spanish. So when you're ready to answer them, you click on this. There they are again. You'll hit prepare, start preparing your submission, and just paste your responses to those questions here and hit save changes. Okay? Then the next week I will take this oral dialogue preparation and move it to week 4. And in week 4, you'll click on it again, and this time you'll see someone else's script and you're going to critique it. I also am going to go in and critique it, and then in week 5, you'll go through and use that script and actually make your recording. Okay? And that's everything you have to do for week 3.